everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ponky and I'm here back with another video. So this is going to be a trip to NAMSAI, and so we are about to leave early. It's not actually that early. It's probably like 6:30 a.m. at the moment, and it's a family trip. So we are going to have a lot of fun. We are probably going to go to the Golden Pagoda first. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I don't know the correct pronunciation, but I think it is Golden Pagoda because it is the most common way to say it. And well, we are getting ready right now. Currently, I'm at Shadow at my mom's house, and we just ate our breakfast and we are getting ready. So yes, we are going to have a lot of fun, and I wanted to bring you all to my journey as well. So if you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, you can go to my page and you can watch my other videos, and also please subscribe to my channel if you want to get notified about the other videos that I'm going to be posting. It has been a long time since I made a video last, so I just was very excited to make this one. Alright, let's go. We reached NAMSAI, and currently we are inside the car, and I want to show you my cousins. So first of all, here's introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Prakotim.
Okay, plan has been changed. So what I said first, like we'll first visit the Golden Pagoda. That might have like the plan might have changed a bit. So we might visit the resorts first or something like that. But yeah, I will bring you with me. Guys, so right now we are at NAMSAI and we wanted to have our lunch. I guess it will be called lunch. What time is it right now? It's like 12:10 or something. So yeah, we're about to have our lunch. Since we are here at NAMSAI, and the two most popular things will be the resorts and with the pools and of course the Golden Pagoda. So according to our plan, right now we are here at the Tunta Resort. So let's go and take a look. I'm not going in the water, but my family are. So let's take photo of them. So this is the Tunta Resort, and I didn't get in water because of for various reasons. But I will get into water when we go to the Tokshita Resort. So yeah, this is a very good feeling because in Assam there is like so much hotness, and here you cannot feel that hotness. The restaurant behind me, and I probably think that these are the houses where people stay. It's not like probably, it's just it's certainly that people stay in those houses, but those are like really pretty little, like triangular shaped houses. And so now we are here at the 7 km resort. Sorry for the plan change. Have been saying that we will be going to the Tokshita resort, but actually I was the one who didn't heard right. Okay, so yeah, let's go. We're here at the 7 km resort, and I'm finally going to get into the water right now because I got my clothes.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
This was the second spot of our 2 days trip at NAMSAI, and I have done an outfit change. So now we are going to go to Golden Pagoda. Now we are here at the Golden Pagoda. So as far as I have done my research, I have come to realize that it is also there's also a nickname for it, and it is called Kongmukham, if I'm pronouncing it right. Far as I have done my research, the Golden Pagoda symbolizes reverence and spiritual achievability, and then achievements and achievability. And then again, it was established on 2010. There is a board right here. I will put that photo in my video so you can go and watch that. And I actually, it's kind of hard to find the proper history of the constructions and the inspiration taken in order to create this Burmese style monument. Oh, if is this called a monument, this Buddhist temple? So yeah, if you want to know more about it, you can go to the internet and search for it more properly. Guys, we're finally at the hotel or the homestay we are staying at. This is called the JC homestay. So that's my brother disturbing me at the moment. And the phone is too high, so I'm having to stand up on my tippy toes. But yeah, the first day of our trip was definitely amazing, and I had a lot of fun in the 7 km resort. It was so much fun. This is the third spot of our trip, I guess. Oh no, this is the fourth spot of our trip. So right now we are here at the Dholavia Bridge, and this is the longest river bridge in India, as we already know. So we are taking some time to take some photos. Here is our whole family. we are just standing by the side and taking a few photos. So I will just tell you all about a few of the informations that I already know. So this is the longest river bridge in our country, India. And then it is the first ever permanent bridge, like of connection for between the northern Assam and the eastern Arunachal Pradesh. So we've just left the district of Namsai, and so we are coming here to take a few photos. And it is like the longest. This is a 9.15 kilometer, approximately 9.15 kilometer. Take a look. Woohoo! So then we reached Sarado, and then we stayed there for one night before leaving the next day. So it was really a lot of fun, and I had very fun time with my family. It was really enjoyable. And if anybody is wondering if they want to go to Namsai and stay there, I would really advise you to like take a few days off and enjoy every moment, because our trip was really short, but still it was really fun. So yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.